Hello, guys. Good evening, guys. Hope you are doing good. So, let's get start our today's class. So, yesterday we have seen that data types, primitive data types, and non-primitive data types. So, what are that primitive? In the primitive, we have seen that eight majorly we have byte, char, short, int, long, float, double, boolean. So, these are the eight primitive data types. And coming to non-primitive data types, there are four non-primitive data types. That is string, array, interface, and enum. So as per that, there are Java basic program elements. Enum is out of scope. We're not bothering about that. Okay. Now I'll talk about class. Under that we can create variable and method. So these are the two things frequently we'll use in our programmings, right? Yes. Okay. So we have seen that size of data types. When we are talking about that data types and variables, first we need to aware of that the size of the data type. How much time size it will take actually that. So this is the uh, list of sizes for data types. Byte it will take 8 bits. 8 bits means equal to 1 byte. 1 byte equal to 8 bits. Okay, what is the default value of a byte? It will be 0. So like that I have seen that all data types of different stages. Okay, so this is clear, guys. So these are the things I have seen in previous session. Okay, now we'll go for variable declaration. That means so 24, right? Today's date 24. Okay. So Java variables declaration. We are not talking about the definition, it is about declaration of data types. How to declare in your program. Okay. So data type, this is the syntax. Data type and variable name. Data type, variable name. Declaration. What is the syntax? Actually, we will declare like this. Data type, whether it can be int, float, char, whatever, that depends on your requirement. And then variable name equal to value. The variable value we will declare. Variable value. So variable. So what is variable? It is nothing but container. Variable. I'll show you. Okay. So if anything you want to store, you need some storage space like the container or vessel. For if you are storing some rice in your kitchen or home, you'll have some container for storage purpose. Okay. So like that, we will have some variables for container of rice container. If you're talking about rice container, I'll show you like here. Now let me show you that. For example, if it is a rice container. Okay, so what you will fill here? Rice. So it completely depends on the container, how much it will occupy, that much of rice you will store here. You will contain here, right? Right? Now, if you're talking about, alright, if you are talking about 5 kgs, for example, if it is a 5 kgs rice container, if it is a 5 kgs of rice container, then how much you will store here? 5 kgs, right? 5 kgs rice you will store here, right? 5 kgs rice you will store here, for example. Now, int a is equal 5. Okay. Now, guess what is the meaning of RAM? RAM. You may aware of RAM. RAM. Inside RAM. Okay. I'll show you, for example. RAM. What is the size of int here? What is the size of int here? Now, see here. Int size will be 4. Okay, coming to here. Now, I'll show you program. First, Java program. Okay. Now, if int a equal to 5, okay, if int a equal to 5, now listen. Now that means integer size of 4 bytes. If we are going to define int a equal to 5, now I have defined here data type, variable name, this one, data type, variable name, and value. So what is the data type here? Int. Int is a data type. Okay. And what is the variable name here? Let me write here. Int a is equal to 5. So this is a variable I am declaring here. Okay. Now here int will be your data type and a will be your variable name. Okay. Now what is the value here? What is the value here? 5, right? That's it. Clear, guys? The syntax, how we are using that inside RAM, how it will be RAM. If you can showing that 5 kgs of container having 5 kgs of rice, like that inside RAM we can store like this here. The variable name will be This is A. Okay, and what is the value here? Inside RAM 5. Okay, how much it will store here? 4 bytes. That's it. Right? Okay. Now, data types we will use like the syntax of data type will be whatever that we have different kind of data types, 8 primitive data set types. In that, whatever if you are taking character type, you can write in place of int, you will declare character. Okay, so that syntax will be like this: data type variable name equal to value. That same here, your data type will be int, a will be variable name, and value will be 5 variable value. That's it. Okay. Capture this one, guys. Is it clear? It's a very simple syntax. Clear? Capture this one. So here the a variable is the container here. Okay. It is not mandatory to think about all the things. If we can remember at least syntax point of view, that will be enough. How to write a syntax, how to declare a data types by using variables. Okay, now int a equal to 5. Okay, so here data type, or let me give that variable, it is a class area. This is a class area. So inside class we have we declared variable, and it is out of method. This is within the class and out of method. So that means it will be global variable. That's it. Global, global, global variable. Class variable, you can say, or global variable. That's it. If anyone asks you like what is a variable is a container. If you can say that, you can say directly variable is a container. Okay, capture this one, guys. This is your first Java program. Okay, so you may get interview question. Actually, they may not aware of that Java basic programming elements. They will learn from you if you can say that there are 6 Java basic programming elements like that. If you can say that, okay. So most of the time, don't give a chance to ask that next questions. So that means if you have that enough information about that, then that will be the confident for you. So that's the reason I am giving that much in depth of that. Okay, so you should give the answer in such a way manner. Okay. Okay. No. So I'll go and I'll create one more variable here. Static int c equal to 10, like that. You can create like this one will be your static variable. If the variable having a static keyword, what is a static here? It is a keyword because it is in uppercase along with a purple color. Static variable. That's it. Okay. No. Capture this one, guys. Okay, guys. Now. Mm, Okay. Okay. Just 1 minute. I'll start on program. The exercise. Let me write here. That's it. That is enough. Okay. Now. We'll take This is first Java program. I'll take here. Guys, are you there with me? Can you hear me? Okay. I'll remove this everything. Or let me take one more class. I'll create variable 3. I'll take main method. Okay. So now listen here. Be focus here, guys. It is a basic level, but it is very much important. Now, so just I have created one class with a variable 3 and main method. That's it only. And this will one will be the package. Java package will be the package name here. Now coming to int a equal to 5. Okay, guys. What is this? It is local variable, right? Because it is in method area and it also int type local variable. Okay, this is a method area which is started here and ending it here. Method area. Now, so it is showing some error because we are not used anywhere. The value local variable is not at used. Okay. Now let's go on print this. Then the error will be out of the scope. Sys out a. Right. Now let's execute this one. Right. So the a value will be printed here. Right, guys? Right. Int a is equal to 5. So what is the syntax for variables? What is the int here? It will be data type. See here, data type will be int, a will be variable name, and 5 will be variable value. That's it only. Okay, and we are printing that same a value here. So that is the output we received. We got it. Clear now? Can we create one more variable here? Let's check it. Int z equal to some 100, or you can give any name, no problem. Just I'm giving randomly. So this one will be which variable? Local variable. This is also int type local variable because it is in method area. It is declared in method area. Okay. Now let's print this. Let's execute here. Sys out b. Sorry, it is z. So what is the output here? What should be the output here? 100. Here a value should be on 5. Let's go and execute this one. Right? That same output it is printing here, right? Okay, clear. Okay. Okay, guys. Now coming to here, int g equal to 100. Okay. Now I will use some shortcut here. G equal to 200. Okay. So why I am writing here directly with a variable name without data type? Because it already declared. So this int G already declared here that same data, sorry, variable name we are declaring here. That's the reason we can use here directly. Now sysout sysout G. Now what is the value? Okay, tell me what is this? G equal to 100. This one also local variable. Right? Right? Now what should be the output here? 200. Let's go and check it. That's it. Good, good, good. We received output, guys. Right? Right? Okay, very good. Okay. So this is a way you can create a you can declare a variables. Okay. Now, let's use one more data type. Char type. Char type C equal to some 500. Numbers you can give just randomly I'm giving. So this one also will be char type. Char type local variable. Right? Right, guys? Local var. This is char type local variable. Okay. Guys, it is not 500 because it is a character type. So I'll give some character. Now, one more thing, please remember here. It should be placed inside single quote. That's it. Okay. So when we are declaring character type variable char type, you should be right inside single quotes. That's the reason here I am giving single quotes. Now sys out. What is that? C. What is that? What should be the output here? A. Okay. Now coming to Boolean type. B equal to true. Now B equal to false. So initial level it is a true and immediately it is getting false. Now let's see that sys out. Sys out B. Now tell me what should be the output here? It is false. Right? Now let's check it. Let's execute this one. Either it is true or false. Got it, guys? The output we receive like this, right? Okay. So what is that? Sys out C here. Out should it should be the A. That is a char type local variable and Boolean type. It is false. That's it. Okay. Now coming to sys out 3 greater than 12. It is a conditional check, guys. Is it true or false? It is false, right? Let's go and execute. False, right? The output is here, false here. Okay, okay. Now, int e equal to 100. 1 second here. Okay. Capture this one, guys. So capture this one, guys. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Done, guys. So I'll write some notes here. Okay. Now, Java community, James Goslet team, that initial stage of Java, how the program will execute, that is a complete different scenario. Okay, after that they have done lot of improvements in that latest version. Whatever the features are we are having that Java, that it is not there in that earlier versions. There will be a lot of improvements if you can observe here. Okay, now coming to here, I'll show you programming elements. Now, where is it? Class loader. Okay, this is already that class method area. This is done already. Class load. It's a registration native methods. Methods. JVM, JDK. We are done with that. Buzzwords. Okay. Okay. So now any class you are creating in that method, the program always will execute depends on that method only. As we are giving that main method, as we are saying that for every Java program, always a program execution will start from main method. So through that method only, that program will execution. So it sticks to that. Okay, execution process. If you know that source code after that Java compiler, already we have seen that. Okay, class loader to the bytecode verification, whatever the interpreter are giving the instructions to the OS, that is the understandable code. Okay, so that is the mechanism here working now. Oh shit, I have some power cut and getting less network, very slow. Okay, guys, just let me give a couple of things here. I have some couple of announcements. Let me show you. We have a YouTube channel that you may not aware of that. Already I shared in couple of videos in WhatsApp group. But YouTube videos are not preferable for you guys. That is for outside people. Okay, so there will be a lot of editings before going for that. Okay, so I'm recommended you all of please join live classes only. Okay, this is our YouTube channel. So this is a YouTube channel, guys. So these four classes, session one, session two, like that, I uploaded. Okay, but you should follow these videos only. Hope you all are following videos in WhatsApp group here. Shit, it's loading slow. Okay, yes. So these are the latest videos you can follow here. Live classes videos. Okay, that's a please remember that. Now coming to string. It is a class as well as primitive, sorry, non-primitive data type. Okay, now string is a sequence of characters, right? String is a sequence of characters and it should be given in double quotes like this. We can say that anything I can talks, if we can write like this, you can give double quotes like this example. And one more thing, spaces, whatever you are giving spaces inside that, it will consider as a string, part of string. That's it. Like this. If you can say hello mates. Okay. This spaces also will consider as a string. Right? Okay. Now note. To find the length of string parameter, we use length method. That's it. Capture this one. Done. Now we'll jump to the program. Yes. Now I'll take variable 4. It is main method. Okay. I'll remove this one. Now let's see. String is equal to, suppose, hello Java. So this one will be your local variable. Which variable this is? Local variable. And which type it is? String type. Now, if you wish to find the length of the string, okay, string s equal to calculate the length of string parameter. Okay, now this is a string. Hello Java. This is a variable value and this is a integer variable name. Now length means that is a integer. Now what is the method we are going to use here? Length method, right? Length of given string, right? Right, yes. Alright. Int length of given string. In the same manner, string considered as a data type. If you are considered as a class is length of string, we can take here. I will take equal. What is the reference name here? Yes. Okay. We can consider it as a reference name. Yes. Dot. If we can. So dot is a extension. After can you can see all these methods. Okay. String class. Code point index. You can see here code point. Yeah. That means this is a method name. Int in between whatever you did, that is a return type. This string is a class. Okay. Now if you'll go and see that, now you can see that length here, right? So this length is a method of string class. What is the return type of length? Return type means what exactly this method is return. Now you will get method. Now you will get as a integer, right? Here integer length. Yes, dot. Now you can get the this length. Now this length method will comes under which class? String class. Okay. Now we can take it. Now what is the total length of hello Java? Right? What is the total? So this one will be 5 and this one will be 4, and in between the spaces also will be considered. Okay. Now coming to, if we can print sys out length of Java, sorry, length of string, right? Now what happened, Ray? Okay. No. This is giving 1 second, guys. Int length of string down is length. Yes, let me check it now. Why it is giving error? Let me take one more. Right, I'll write with this int. Now this default. Yes, dot length of string. Sys out this length of string will give here. Again, just 1 second, guys. Let me check out, sort out. Okay, got it. To find length of string, it is a local variable. That is fine, perfect. Okay, calculate. Okay, let me remove this one, guys. I'll comment this one. So integer. Okay, so length of string we need to take it as a method here. That's the reason it is throwing. So this is also as a class we are taking here length of string, considering that yes. Now it is clear. Length of given string. Yes. Um, we can take it as a S is equal to length. Sys out. Length of given string. Let me execute now. Yes, it is giving 10 here. Okay, of course, this is a one method to get string length, to find out length. Let me take one more method. Actually, this is not I'm using regularly, but it is one way of finding the length of string. Guys, I'll explain one more time. Just listen carefully. Okay. So actually, what happened here? What we are doing here? Some string. String is a one data type. Yes is a variable name. Okay, and we are declaring as a variable value. Hello Java. So this is what it is local variable. Which type of string type? Okay, string type local variable. Now what I'm doing here, I'm asking you to find out length of string. So this is a length of string. What I'm saying here, spaces, whatever the spaces you are given inside double quotes, that spaces also will consider as a part of string. Now coming to here program, guys, string. Hello Java. How many here? One, two, three, four, five, and space also. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That same 10 we are getting here as a output, right? Clear, guys? Now, let me give you one more thing here. I'll create one more class, variable 5. I'll take main method. Yes. Now string yes equal to icon talks. Okay. Now what is this? Variable. Which type of variable? Local type. Oh, sorry, local variable. Okay. Which type means string type. String type local variable. Now let's find out the length of this string. Of string. Calculating length string. Okay, so what is the exact method we have to return here? So length means we will get as a integer, right? Integer. I'll just define one. Now length of given string. This is a string. So this is a yes. What is the variable name here? Yes. Right? Yes. Dot. We will get extension. Length of string we will get here. This is the length of string. We will get as a data type now. Sys out length of it is what happened right length of given string. Now let's check it output. What should be the output here, guys? 10, right? That's it. That's it. 10. Okay. If I am removing this space, okay. If I'm removing this space, I'll show you. I said spaces also will be considered as a part of string. Okay. Now I'll prove you whether the spaces are counting or not. Yes. See here. Now what's the output here? Now earlier it is a 10. Earlier the output of the given string is 10. Now it is a 9. Why it is 9? We have removed that space. Okay. Is it clear, guys? That statement is satisfied. Here the statement is satisfied here. Okay. That's it. So this is the way of finding the length of string. Okay. So capture this one, guys. Guys, are you there with me? Yes. Okay. Done. Okay. So I'll stop here, guys, for the day. So we'll meet again in tomorrow class, next class. Maximum I'll try to take tomorrow if possible. I will let you know. I'll update in the WhatsApp group. Thank you. Thanks for joining. Have a nice day. Good night. Bye.